Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with my friend Maddie.
Hello.
And we're going to be doing a Halloween tier chart because it's that time of year. It's Spooktober. So we got all of these candies. There's more on the side. So I'm using a app called Tier Maker to do these. And if you like more of these, make sure you like the video. So first up, we got Kit Kat. These are solid A tier. 100 grand. These weren't in my neighborhood. Reese's. Here's a solid B tier. Straight to the trash. Hershey's cookies and cream. Reese's Pieces. A tier. Sweet Tarts. These bad boys are usually the first gone. Okay, I'm gonna start using my mouse. Three Musketeers. Straight into the trash. Pixie Sticks. They're solid A tier. Airheads. B tier. What the heck are these? B tier. I feel like these are classics. I don't even know what these are. Ugh. Twizzlers. I hate Twizzlers if you guys didn't already know. So, next up, Dots. These things are just overrated. They're just disgusting.
Yes.
M&M's. I'm not a huge fan of chocolate, actually.
The only chocolate I like is M&M's.
Gum. Okay. Gum is usually B tier. These are last. No, these are actually straight into the trash. Wonka Rundo Runs. I've never actually had those. Actually, yes, I have. Not in Halloween candy, though. If I had these would probably be last gone. Ugh. I hate these. Okay. These are solid A tier. I don't know why I just love these so much. I just love these strawberry candies. I don't know what they're specifically called. These, last gone. These are usually also last gone. Sometimes I'll eat them. Mike and Ike's. Last gone. Straight into the trash. Almond Joys. Okay. So me and my bus driver actually talked about this today. He loves Almond Joys. I hate it though. So I would throw it straight into the trash. I would say we don't have it in my neighborhood, but we have it. What are these things? Oh, I don't even know what this is. Okay, I'm starting to use my finger. Mr. Goodbar, straight into the trash, boy. This is bubble gum. Swedish Fish. Usually last gone, actually. Not a huge fan of blow pops. So. Fireballs. I'll eat these occasionally. These things I usually throw them in my trash. Solid A tier Fun Dips. Alright, Maddie, where are you at in our tier list?
I do not know.
Okay, we got these things. These are straight up trash. Fruit roll-ups. Oh, these are solid B tier. Gushers, I've never actually had Gushers, but I'm gonna assume they're pretty good. Gummy bears, last gone. literally did these. Well, these are straight into the trash. Butterfingers is all B tier. Hot tamales straight into the trash. Lemon heads, solid B tier. Tootsie Rolls. Y'all are gonna think I'm crazy. But straight into the trash. Junior Mints. Straight into the trash. I hate anything minty. Solid A tier. What? Ew. That looks disgusting. Alright, Toblerone. I don't like Toblerone. We got M&M's. We got Mambas. We don't have these in my neighborhood, I don't think. Milk Duds. Does anybody actually like Milk Duds? Now or later, solid B tier. This gotta be a joke. They got an apple, Maddie.
An apple?
Yeah.
Why an apple?
This seriously gotta be a joke. They're playing. They have toothbrushes. I'm gonna just... Candy corn. These are solid B tier. But if they're not chocolate, they're going in the trash. Twix. I don't like Twix. A's. Whoppers. A. So here's the list so far, and we got one final one. Wait, two. One of these I've never even heard of. And we're running straight to the trash. Okay, so the tier list got really big. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll do a quick scroll down. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these kinds of videos, leave a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.